What's up, brother? What's up, Slava? Looks like you're the only person in here. Are we going? Almost at 75.8. We're gonna wait for some more people to get in here. I'm gonna go take care of something real quick and I'll be right back. I'll chat that down. Two people in here. How's it going? What's up, Alicia? How you guys doing? We'll see how many people show up. Another early stream. But yeah, I ended up getting off of work early. So what the hell, we're gonna stream. I'm good. Doing fantastic today. Doing a lot better than I have been all week. Feel like 90% better than I have been. What's up, Jared? 4 people in here. Bitcoin doesn't look too good at the moment, huh? Lower high. But I said this the other day, it's probably going to hit this where it hit, and then it's just going to hang around 70K from now on. We're going to bounce around between 75 and 70K for the next 2 months. It was a good try, huh? 5 people in here. All right, let me go take care of something. I'll be back in like 2 to 3 minutes while some more people pile in here. All right, I'm back. How's everyone doing? What's up? Gans Roses, good go. You bullish on Aerodrome. Arrow to the moon. Let me turn the music down a little bit. I think it's too loud. There, that should be good. Arrow. Bitcoin's pushing up now. I just said it was going to come back down. Now it's going up. Damn, is it going to hit 76K? New high today. Let me put this on the larger screen. It says Arrow. Arrow's looking good here. It's pushing up. It needs to break this high here at about 148. But if you guys didn't watch it, we did a new Arrow update. We're just going to focus on being bullish on the chart here on Arrow. Bounced off of the macro 236 at 104. It's back above the 618 here. So the next big price to watch on Arrow is breaking that high, of course, and then the 786 here, an 18% move to 162. But it looks good here. Finally bottomed out and it's moving up now. And then the new target on Arrow, we're going by these fibs here. So a lot of people call for $20 to $40. So we do have 23 at the 2272, 15 billion market cap, almost a 17x. And then if you think Arrow is going to hit $40 this cycle, 27 billion market cap, a 31x. But Arrow looks good right now. Low to the high. Yeah, it's above all the bullish levels here. It just needs to break the high, break the structure here that it's forming. But as long as you're above 120 here and 104, we're macro bullish on this thing. Arrow's going to be a good play. What's up, Jared? He says Cow and Parsec. Yeah, I saw Cow Protocol was running yesterday. What's up, Flip Coins? How you doing? Silver's back in the house. Smash the like button and subscribe, says Silver. What's up, Aaron? How's it going? We got 16 people in here. Not bad. Maple is mooning. Is it really? I don't think we have a chart for... I think we have one for Maple, but I don't think we have one for Cow. I'm not sure. Yeah, we don't have one for Cow. Guess I need to make one. Oh, damn, this thing did run. Let's see if there's a better chart. Cow Protocol to the moon here, huh? Let's see. Maybe there's not a better chart. When did this one come out? Oh yeah, here we go. CoinEx chart for Cow Protocol. That's what I'm talking about. But yeah, this thing already left. Congrats to the cow holders. Broke the previous high. It's down back below it, but still. 0.532. A lot of wicks on this one. Large wick. It could have topped out here. But I would say as long as it's above 45 here, it's still bullish. Let's see here. Not exactly accurate. But we'll say Cow Protocol, as long as you're over 52, 53 pennies, it's still bullish. If it can push back through 60.5 here, that previous high and hold, that would be a good thing for this thing to accomplish. But yeah, Cow Protocol went. I don't know the market cap on this one though. Yeah, congrats to the Cal protocol holders. Hopefully you guys took profit on that large run there. What's up, Brian? No, we have not looked at well yet. I haven't even looked at it today at all. But you said Cal protocol and what else? Parsec. I'm gonna have to get a chart built up for Cal protocol, I guess. PRQ, I know we have a chart for. Yeah, PRQ is not doing anything. It's still down here below the macro 236. Bounced off of that last wick, made a slightly higher low. Let me fix that. But PRQ 786 retracement in a bull run, 300 million market cap, up to $1.09. It's a 14.5x. But I think PRQ is going to have a decent run this cycle. If PRQ is going to hit a new high, 2.5 billion market cap, damn, 110x almost, up to $8. If that's possible to that 2.5 billion market cap. But still a decent move. 786 retracement, 300 million market cap is going to get you a decent 14.5x on this one. Bottom in over 11, bullish over 20. A lot of good plays. Maple is mooning. Pretty sure I have a chart for Maple. It's been a while since we looked at it. Oh, damn, maybe not. All right, we don't have a chart for Maple either. But it's moving, so someone will probably ask for it again. I guess I would say if someone's going to send a super chat about it, I'll have to just do the chart. Unless you guys just want me to do it. But yeah, low to the high, came all the way up, hit the 786 right now, so it's getting stuck at 34. It's above the 618 at 19. But it looks good here, curling up, made a higher high. Bullish looking chart overall. But yeah, it's moving too. Maybe all these protocol coins and these finance coins are running right now. Is there anything else running? 5.5x to a new high at 170. Once it breaks through 34 here. It looks good. The momentum is up 31% on the week. He says, holy cow. Good, just finished work for the day. I guess we need to go look at well. Greg, welcome. He says price prediction for ATB. What is ATB? ATB. I don't know if we've ever looked at that. We'll go look at it here in just a moment. I'm gonna have to build charts for these Cal and Maple. Maybe we'll do that in a minute. Well, what is well doing? Well, I would imagine this is still in the same spot here. Yeah. Well has not moved. It's still bullish where it's sitting at because we look at this every time. Once it punches through 10.4, you're good to go here. But as of right now, you can see that 5.3 down to 4.8 level, depending on where we want to draw this at. As long as you're above the 236 here at 6.4, that's the price we keep saying. As long as you're above 6.4, this thing's still bullish, even pulling it down to the daily time frame and drawing an even smaller one. Low to the high. Yeah, it's back above 8.1 here. So this thing is bullish right now still. As long as you hold this, even though it is making a lower high, technically you're short-term bullish to push up. But 8.1 down to that 6 to 6.4 level is your prices to watch on well here. But yeah, Moonwell is going to be a good play this cycle. We're just kind of waiting to see if it's going to stay bullish here or if it's going to retrace back down and pull back like it does when it makes a high. Pretty steep retracements here. But on the macro, 10.4 is your price to beat on well, and then well 12 billion market cap potentially. 424 is going to get you from where it is today in price of almost a 50x for well here. Next big target is a 200% move to 27 once it pushes through 10.4. He says ATB. think I'm going to let my Ondo run for a while before the token unlock in January. Yeah, that's probably a good strategy. You really ain't got to worry until January. Moonwell is about to rip hard, says Bluff City. You agree with it going to 27 to 30 cents? Yeah, that's the next target. What do you think about 12 billion market cap to $4 for the bull market blow off top? But yeah, the whole overall macro chart on Moonwell is very bullish. But Greg says ATB. Let's see what the hell ATB is. ATB does not exist. Unless you meant ABT. Arc block to the moon. We'll wait for Greg to answer, but I think you meant ABT. Uh, 14 people, 1 on X. How's everyone doing? I've already asked that. I'll leave that up on the screen so you guys remember to hit the like and subscribe button. Did you guys get notified for the live stream? I don't know how many of you guys have the notification bell clicked. But yeah, if you're asking for arc block looks good here. It's in this falling wedge pattern right now. Off of the bottom here, it's making higher lows. It's curled up. It needs to get back over the 236 here. It's over the 382 at 92, so it is bullish right now, even though it doesn't appear to be at the moment. But arc block, the target for arc block is probably the top of the fib here. So ABT for another 21x up to a 3 billion market cap to $32. I honestly don't know the target people think arc block is going to hit. What is the target that people say arc block will hit this cycle? It's already halfway up to the top here, so my logic is, why would it not just go ahead and hit the top of the fib here once it has that move? I could see $2.50 to $3 on well. What was that target at 12 billion? I don't even remember now. Well to the moon. Okay, yeah, $4. Maybe that's the blow off top. Maybe it doesn't quite hit it, but maybe it spikes all the way up here. Still a decent move though. Yeah, and I just did an update on, I don't know if you guys heard of the one I just did. It's another base coin, Talent Protocol. We got flipped coins for 10. I appreciate that. He says CKB. CKB. Hey Zeus, how's it going? We got to do CKB for flip coins. I don't remember the last time we looked at CKB. This is Nervous Network. Yeah, this is Nervous Network. It's not been too long since I covered it, because I remember another network coin, protocol coin, finance coin that's about to go to the moon. Had a huge little run. You can say this one is doing the same thing as arc block. This is what you want to see after it has a strong move up. You want to see this consolidation and this pullback here into a bull flag or falling wedge pattern here. That's usually bullish. So yeah, as long as this thing holds up here, once you get over the 618 at 13.7, it'll probably spike to the 786 here out of this. It looks about the same as the measured move would be from this pull or that move up to there. So in my opinion, CKB here is looking bullish in this pattern. Once it breaks over 137, it's going to spike up 75-76% to 2.3 to the next big resistance level here. So not the worst looking. It is still, well, it broke the downtrend and had that spike, so that's very good. Into a bullish pattern. Yeah, it looks good. I'll just say it looks good. And then where's CKB going to end up? New high on CKB is a 7.5x up to a 4.5 billion market cap. New high at 10 pennies. And then the next stop after that would be the 1414 at 15.8, 16 pennies, and an 11x, 7 billion market cap. So not bad potential. But right now it looks bullish inside this pattern. I would guess it's about to spike up. Take that a step further for the Flipcoins 9.99 super chat. Low to the high. It's right back above after hitting the 0.5 perfectly in the pattern. It's back above the 3.2 to be bullish short term over 1.2. So yeah, once you get over 13 up to 15, you're back to even being more bullish and you're breaking out to the upside here. But yeah, it's always good to see those bull flag patterns. CKB is about to spike. Not bad. Appreciate the super chat. Jesus, how's it going? Bluff says talent looks nice, but they need to do some unlocks before I enter. Yeah, I heard that the most of the coins are locked up for 3 years. I don't know if you heard that, but we shouldn't have to worry about a big token unlock for 3 years. Charles, how's it going? AXGT. AXGT. Someone comes in here every day asking for that. I don't know if that's you or not. AXGT. Oh yeah, this one looks good. This one's in a bullish pattern also. Especially if you look at it on the weekly. Strong move up, consolidating in this pattern. We can see that a lot better here on the weekly chart. But yeah, another one with a strong move and consolidating in a bullish pattern here. It's above the 236, so the bottom is confirmed in here over 14.8. You're at 17. It looks like a meme coin chart. Hit the 0.5 at the bottom of the pattern, and it's right at the 382 at 17.5. So once you get over 17.5, it's bullish. Once you break over 2.1, you'll know it's breaking out to the upside here. But not a bad looking one. It looks like when this one spikes out of this pattern, unless something happens where the market's going to crash, it'll probably spike through the 382, and next potential target would be the 0.5 at 2.8 and a 67% move. So maybe we're about to get a decent move on a lot of things. What you guys think about that? So many bullish setups and patterns right now. And the market cap we have on this one, 1618, 873 million market cap, 480, almost a 28x on this one. New high would take you up to $2, which is probably more likely from today as an 11x. So maybe $2, 11x is where this thing is headed to. I know nothing about it, so I don't know where it's going to end up. But not a bad setup at the moment. What's up? Reb, I'll call you Reb. Hey, Undead, my bro. How about Muse DAO, Farm, and Inverse Finance? It's coming in here hot with all the requests. I like Farm. Inverse we look at. Muse. People come in here asking for all kinds of stuff, so pick one or two. I know I have a chart for Farm. Harvest Finance. I don't know what I'm typing. Farm's another one that I like for this cycle. I always forget about it though. It's down here below the 236, so it's in the good opportunity or the good buying zone, I guess you would say. Broke the uptrend like everything else in the market pretty much did. Not everything, but you get the idea. And then this one looks like it hit a 618 and held. Oh, I did hit the 786. Tag this. Damn it. If you guys can see that, I know it looks like it's far away. But this one, low to the high, came down, hit the 786 perfectly. Final support at 29. Got a little bounce going. It's back below the 618 here, so you need to get back over 40 on farm, and then farm, wrong tool. And farm low, well, yeah, we'll just go low to the high here. Yeah, it hit the 618 at about 35 and got a nice bounce. So without picking up the price too much, you hit the 786, you're curling up here, need to get back over 40, and then that should send the price up. You can see the 0.5 macro 236. So once you get over 50 and a half here, then you can say the macro bottom is in on Harvest Finance here, and then bullish over 88. But yeah, farm's another one I think is going to do well. From where you are today, 786 retracement in a bull market to 420 is going to give you a 287 million market cap and a 10.5x. And then if farm is going to hit $1 billion, $2 billion market cap, 1.8, a massive 67x almost to the new high at the 1272 at 2700. And we'll see what happens. But that would take it up to there. That's a massive move, by the way, so there's no guarantee. But still, farm's good for a decent 10x. Another good Coinbase 10x play. I believe this one's on Coinbase, if I'm not mistaken. Bluff City says, oh snap, 3 years. Yeah, that's what I heard. Go look at their vested schedule on their website. And it says vested for 3 years. So that means they're locked up for 3 years. But yeah, inverse finance, another Coinbase play here. Oh damn, inverse to 0. Did we look at this yesterday? No, I guess we didn't, because that wouldn't look right. All right, it broke the previous low. It dipped down, so it did make a new low, but it got right back up here. Every time it comes up, it gets stuck at the 3.2, but now that we have to pull this down, this is going to end up messing with all of our targets to the upside here. Which, let me see. Let me pull this back. It is good that it's back above 23.6 there. So we'll just keep it at that for now. It tried to die, but it came back to life. We have a red line on the chart for some reason here. All right, that's your 618, I guess. Low to the high. Yeah, it's not the best looking chart, I would say, because it did make a new low. So we'll just take this one day to day. I'm not sure about inverse finance here. If this is the new bottom, 2400, takes it up to 2500. I would have to redo the market caps on this one. So we're just going to get that off. Inverse finance, Coinbase play. If it only does a 618 retracement this cycle from the new low, barring it doesn't go lower, takes you up to 200, and 8.5x this cycle. 786 retracement would take you up here for a decent almost 16x to 400. So 200 and 400 could be good targets if it holds this new low here to take profit this cycle. So good multipliers and good prices to watch. And then a new high, which is probably not going to happen because you can see that as a 100x up to 2,500. So that's a large move. For inverse finance to do a 100x this cycle, then a lot of things we look at are going to go crazy. Because you hear no one talking about inverse finance. At least I don't. So inverse finance, it looks like it's either going to do only a 786 retracement or maybe a slightly lower high below 900 and do a 33x maybe. I don't know. 100x is a large move. But it's whatever you think it's going to do. What does the community say it's going to do? Inverse farm. Aaron says, always just AOS and PNG for me. PNG moving. Yeah, but AOS is up 18% weekly. Yeah, BTC is trying to push. But yeah, AOS and PNG, they like to push, but then they're probably doing nothing. Same exact chart, as you guys know. Yeah, PNG's still here. Still getting stuck at the top. Still holding up over our support. Yet to break out yet. But yeah, PNG is a good one. I love the accumulation that it's doing here inside this bullish pattern above the support level here. And then I would imagine AOS is doing the same exact thing. AOS is trying to break out, huh? Zoom in a little here. Oh, it's already starting to form a wick. It's trying though. It's bullish over the 382. It's over the 786. I would imagine though if one runs, they're both going to run. Yeah, high to the low. You need to get over about 51.5. 51.5, 52. Get over this 382 here, and then you're bullish to push, and you'll probably get confirmed that you are breaking out. But as of right now, it's still kind of getting stuck. It's trying to break out, it looks like, but it's still getting stuck. We'll see what happens. AOS and PNG to the moon. I don't know if I missed anything. How you guys doing? You guys at work today? I guess I'll do Muse since no one's chatting. Muse. Damn it. Muse. Yeah, we do have a Gate.io chart on Muse. Damn. Haven't looked at it in a while. Alright, I don't know if the market cap has changed. But it's holding the 236, confirming macro bottom at 620. Broke the downtrend, of course. I'm going to get that off of the screen. Came down, pretty much hit the 618 retracement. Got a bounce, hit the 786 before, but we'd have to pull this back. Yeah, not looking, it's okay. It's above the 236, steep downtrend in play. Needs to hold this, bullish over 1160. And then where's this one going to end up? Apparently it came way down since the last time we looked at it. New high on this one. A massive move. You can see about a 79x almost to a 250 million market cap to $500. Is that even possible? Or you're looking at a 10x to the 786 retracement at about $64 to $65. That's more reasonable and probably going to get hit. So 4.5, 5x or about a 10x up to 31 or 64. Turbo going to a 50 billion market cap if we get Coinbase spots. What's up, Stone Santa? Welcome back. Mina looks bullish. Yeah, some things look bullish. Most things look bullish, but some things just don't look too good at the moment. Downtrends all over the place, huh? So looking at this one here, it's curling up like the rest of the market. It did make a new low, so we're gonna have to pull that down. It's getting stuck right at the 236. Yet another one to where we're gonna have to adjust because we had to move it down to that new wick low. And not much of a difference. 30-cent difference. Okay, we'll keep it. So Mina, you said looks bullish. Yeah, it's making higher highs, higher lows. It's holding the uptrend here. It's curled up. Let's keep it simple. Needs to get over 67 to confirm the macro bottom. Came down, hit the 0.5 almost perfectly with those two candles. What was that price? At 46.9, pretty much 47, and it got a nice bounce. It's back to being short-term bullish over 51. So once it gets over 56, that'll send the price up to that 6.7 to put the macro bottom in. Then bullish over $1 on this one. Mina. A lot of these coins that you never really hear about. And then Mina, 786 retracement would get you a 6.5x up to 350. If it comes up to the previous high, maybe a little above, a little below. 7 billion market cap, 7.3. Maybe a 7 billion market cap for a 12x, or a little higher, 13x, up around the $6 to $7 range. And then new high on this one, 16.3 billion market cap to $15 is a 29x on Mina. But yeah, it looks good here. Right here looks really good. Yeah, I saw Polyswarm was moving a little bit. Yeah, we'll go look at used car. I thought about making a Polyswarm update because I saw someone on Twitter saying that it was pumping. So I went and looked at it, and I was like, it's moving, but it's not doing anything still. On the macro, it's still holding all of our structure. Still curled up, still above this, so the macro bottom is in, bullish over 2.2. It's probably going to come up here, break through that, hit the 0.5, and then pull back, and then we'll take it from there. Because it's probably going to run right into the 0.5 and the previous uptrend here for a move like that. But yeah, we are super bullish on Polyswarm. Still not doing anything on the macro. My good target for Polyswarm is 45, new high 1272, 800 million market cap, and 23x almost. If it goes higher, so be it. 1.37475 cents for a 37x. But yeah, it had a decent little pump here, but it's not doing anything yet. I was taking a look at Speedy offline. Speedy is getting stuck in a downtrend here. It's down below the 0.5. I don't know. 4-hour chart on Speedy. It's in a downtrend now, and it's coming down. But Speedy's up so much. Hopefully you guys took a lot of profit on Speedy. Right now it looks like it's just starting to go sideways. Used car. Damn, where's used car? Used car. Oh, used car is in a nice little pump for flip coins here. Oh yeah, we looked at this yesterday. I remember when Bitcoin made a new high. It was down below the 3.2, but it got right back above it. So as long as you're over this 13.5, it still looks good. Could still pull back because it is now starting to form the structure here that you don't really want to see. But if it can get over 2.2 and then start moving and get over 3.6, that's where your potential have a nice move up. But used car is still a very good play here. From where it is now, back above the 3.2, still a 31x. 31.5x to a new high. But yeah, used car doesn't look too bad. Low to the high, came down, hit the 0.5 at 10 and bounced. Back over the 3.2 on the smaller one at 14. So as long as we stay over 14, it'll stay bullish here to push. Hot Fire, how's it going? Welcome. He says P-Boo on Solana as well as King Trump on Sol. P-Boo. I don't think we've looked at P-Boo. P-Boo on Solana. P-Poo, I mean. I think I said that right. P-Poo and King Trump. Are the Trump coins not dead yet? Alright, this is the only P-Poo. Nah, this can't be what you're looking for. This thing's only got $5 of liquidity. If you bought this, it's over. Nice pump. I already read that. Cameron, how's it going? He said nice pump on NCT. Luis, how's it going, Luis? Pollock's still bullish. Jesus says I'm still at work. Of course, someone walked in right when you covered Mina. I'll have to go back and rewatch. Okay. Dennis says Shapeshift Fox. Feds cut the table before the end of the year. Bullish. Always appreciate the lives. I appreciate you coming in here. Isn't the thing today? The rate cut? I think I forgot about that. I think I heard they're supposed to cut about 25 basis points, which is nothing. But yeah, if this is the one you're talking about, then this is rubbish. Coming in here with some scam coins, huh? I haven't heard of King Trump, so it's probably the same boat. King Trump on Sol. All right, this one looks a lot better. 71K market cap. All right, this one probably has potential for a gamble. Damn, this thing had a huge spike. Looks like it's, yeah, it doesn't have the best looking chart. It's coming back down pretty hard right now. But yeah, huge spike on that. Let's see what it hit. Yeah, it pretty much hit the new high, 1272, and that was it. People sold at the new high. Right now, it's right on the 382, so 72, you're at 71. So if you can't stay over 72, it's no longer bullish, and the next target down is 42. So if it keeps going lower than it is now, cannot hold 72, then you're going to drop another 40%. But if it holds here and goes back to the new high once again, maybe a new high after that, 23x, maybe it goes up here and does a 43x to 202. But like I said, not the best looking chart we like to see here, but on the 382 could be a good play if it comes all the way back down here to the bottom to the 236 here. What's up, Lord AR? Elon? Oh yeah, I'm still bullish on Elon. Elon to the moon. Game time, baby says Degens. You mean Degen or Degens? Big PNG dip, says Schultz. We just looked at PNG. It's not doing anything. Pollock. Let's go look at Pollock for Louise. You still holding on to the crazy lady? I can always never type this one in right. Nah, this ain't it. Damn it. Dang it. Why can't I ever find this one? Jassy Pollock. Jassy Pollock on base. Is it still bullish, he says. It's trying to be. It's right on the 382 level here. 382 is 18. Which, let me go ahead and pull this up. Because when we zoom in, we're never accurate. Jassy. Damn, come on now. I'll be as accurate as I can for Louise here. Gotta give him a break since he's playing around with the crazy lady. 3018 didn't change at all. You're down below it. You did wick, double top, lower high could be. So they could tell you you're about to come down. So until you can get back over 18, you're at 179. It doesn't have to be accurate, by the way. So it could still very well hold this area. But if it does not, you're going to drop about 49% and you're no longer bullish. But I would say it's curling up here, higher highs. It looks good overall, and it's right at that 382. So it's all going to depend on if you can hold here. But we've seen a lot of things do that to where they take it out, bounce down here, and then go back up. But still, from where it is right now, 67x. So very good play for Jassy here. Jassy to the moon. Hotfire says great analysis. Thanks. I appreciate the words. Anyone still bullish on MABA? Never heard of it. MABA on base. I'll look at it real quick and then we're going to go look at Origin Trail. MABA. I guess this one. It looks like the other one we just looked at. The Trump coins are dying. The hype for Trump is over. It's time to go to zero. I would imagine this is it. Yeah, it's falling down with below the 236 here, so it's going back down to the low, it looks like. If you fall lower than 5.1, you're at 4.9. Need to get back over 9.1 to be bullish. But yeah, these Trump coins look like they're dying now. We pull this up, new high. This one has potential, if it's going to go back up and run at all, 43x or 42.5x. So those two, I was going to say two shit Trump coins. What are the MAGA and the other Trump coins doing? Super Trump. What is Super Trump doing? Are you kidding me? Oh yeah, this one's dying too. MAGA's dying. Damn, looks like the Trump coins are done. Trump coins are done. It's all over. Maybe they'll come back when he takes office, but it doesn't look good for Trump. Yeah, I just want to peek at Janet. Don't let her see me though. Damn, did they pump out more Janets? That's not it, is it? Oh yeah, this is it. Damn, this thing's still dying. Damn, Louise. Oh, maybe it bottomed out. Rip to Louise. I don't know. Can't even really draw a trend on there. As of right now, it can get over 3083 and then it'll confirm your bottom is finally in. Bullish over 15. But as of now, it hasn't done anything. But if this thing wakes up and actually runs and you say what you had in it, damn, New high on this one if it ever comes back to life. 180x, 182x almost. It looks like it's trying to form some sort of a bottom here, but just not quite yet. If we pull it to that wick, maybe. Maybe. If you can stay above about 3.2, maybe you got a shot. He has a shot over 3.2. All right, back over here to trading view. Yeah, we just went over Polyswarm. And you say you missed the dip on PNG. You must be looking at the tiny time frames. It's still down 7% on the week. It's not doing nothing on our macro chart. Oh yeah, it dipped down pretty good on the daily candle here. I guess that's what you're talking about. You missed this dip. But overall, macro-wise, PNG looks extremely well. And then I think I saw Alicia say track. Track to the moon. I think track's going to be a good player. Oh, track's pumping. Origin trail. Looks like it appears to have broken the downtrend. W bottom, double bottom pattern here. Not bad. It's back over the 382, so it's back to being macro bullish. It broke the downtrend. It's pumping at the moment. Let's see here. High to the low. Oh, it's back above the 382 short-term price action. As long as you're over 70, you're back to being bullish short-term. And then you can see we have the 618 and the 0.5 up there. It's your breakout point. So, yeah, as long as it stays over that price, it's bullish right now. And then if it can continue to go, 31% move to 9.3. Once it breaks over that, it should send the price up to 146, 100% move in play. But not looking too bad right now. And then Origin Trail, where's this thing going to end up? Billion market cap to the 786 retracement is 3.5x on this thing. To 1 billion market cap to 270. I think that's very possible. The chart, the chart looks a lot like the well chart. So maybe it's about to run up here, make a new high, and then pull back. And then a new high on track, 1272, 7 billion market cap, 24.5, almost a 25x up to $17 to a 7 billion market cap on Origin Trail here. But yeah, it looks good. This looks exactly like the well chart. But yeah, I like Origin Trail for this cycle. Hopefully it don't break down. Yeah, I hope it doesn't break down also. We need Louise to be rich. Maneki is pumping 51%. What's up, Patrick? How's it going? Tech guy, how's it going? He says Arrow prediction, please. ICP, how's it going? Welcome in. Yeah, we looked at Arrow earlier, but we'll do it again. Arrow's macro bullish. Arrow's going to $20 to $40. Our whole new chart we've been looking at now, we're going to just focus being bullish on the Coinbase macro chart for Arrow, if I can get this to move. But yeah, it's pumping right now. It needs to break this high right here at about 147, 148, but it is back above the 618. High to the low. Let's see here. Yeah, the 618 on that smaller fib here. Next stop up is 163. Once you get over that, we'll just kind of update it from there. But it doesn't look too bad right now. One thing I just noticed though. Yeah. Especially zooming out to the charts, the strong run up on Arrow on the weekly chart here. It's pretty much just consolidating in this structure here now. which could be the start of a bullish triangle pattern. So that is bullish after a strong move up here. So maybe we bounce around in here for a little bit. If we hold over 121 and we bounce down here, that could tell you that it's not coming back down here and it's going to break out very soon. All right, so yeah, we didn't notice that earlier. Damn, get off the screen already. But yeah, and as for where is arrow going, 2 potential targets up here fall in line with what people say. $23 for a 15 billion market cap is going to give Arrow a 16.5x, and then a 27 billion market cap is good for a 31x up to $42. So it's going to head to one of those targets more likely than not. And then he said, Luis says, I'll give you a crazy super chat if Janet goes nuts. Appreciate the thought, but you don't have to do that. What's up, Maddie? How's it going? Charles, welcome back. Good call on Blow Foster. Coin on base. Is it really going up? Blow Foster to the moon. I like all those base coins. Jason, yeah, ALGO. I'm very bullish on ALGO. Oh, yeah, we did skip Velodrome. Let me look at Velodrome, and then Patrick for 5s. Could we check Bricken for me, please? It's my top RWA play, BKN. BKN. Did we look at that one? But yeah, we're bullish on Velo. Velo's been holding the macro uptrend. You mean Velodrome, right? Velodrome to the moon. Yeah, got a nice pump after it tagged it once again. This is pretty much what I've been saying for a very long time. It's in a very good spot, coming back down to the trend. It hit the trend once again. 382 held, 618 held, 0.5. It just blew through all of these levels here. It is now coming up on, let me see, which one do I have here? Yeah, we'll just get this one off since it pretty much matches up. But on the macro, it needs to get over the 618 at 11. And then if we can break this where it's been getting stuck here, which if you notice on the chart, even though we are holding the long-term uptrend and it's in a good spot, it broke the downtrend back here. One thing you could also argue, what we've seen on a meme coin lately, and of course on Bonk and many others, the flat top and the uptrend here. So this is a very bullish ascending triangle pattern. So once the price breaks out of this on Velo, so once you get over the 618 and get some momentum, then Velo is going to have a huge spike up. Not looking too bad on Velo. And then Velo, where's it going to end up? Let's pull this up to where we are now with this nice little move. What is BK and what is BTC at right now? Someone said it was trying to break the high. So Velo up to the 1618 retracement, under $1 billion market cap, 833 is going to get you a 9.5x up to almost $1. And then if it's going to go higher, the 2272 at $4, excuse me, would give you a 3.4 billion market cap and close to a 40x, 40x to a 3 billion market cap. All depends on where you think the market cap's going to hit. But I appreciate the 5 for Patrick here. He says BKN. I think we looked at that, didn't we? So I remember we were saying BKN. Remember in the old shoes, the British Knights. I don't even know if they still make those. Bricken to the moon. Okay, yeah, we did draw a chart on this one. Yeah, it's got a nice little pump. Made a slightly higher high. It's getting stuck right at the 0.5 at 38.1. It's at 36 at the moment. But it does look good here. Higher highs and higher lows. Price is curling up. So it did make a slightly higher high off of that high. So that's good. So it may be getting ready to push through the resistance here and go up to the 618. 40% move up to 51.5. You said this is one of your largest holdings? I don't even know what this is. But yeah, the overall chart, we're looking at the macro. This looks very good. Higher highs across the board, higher lows, holding an uptrend down here. So when this thing comes up to make a higher high, it's probably going to head, if this is what it's starting now, a new high at the 1272 at 280. And from where you are right now, do a 7.5x. So if it keeps up the macro trend here, then this is what you're looking for. A new high and then a pullback. And then so on and so forth. But yeah, it doesn't look too bad. That only gives it a 200 million market cap. I don't know what it is right now. Damn, that's the only target we have on here. Let me go check the chat, make sure I'm not. Yeah, Velodrome looks extremely good. Let me go look at. We got 38 people in here. Been in here for an hour. Coin. Let me get another target on BK in here since you did pay me to do so. BKN, Brickin. BKN. Damn, it's already almost 12. Where does the time go? Let's see here. 26 million market cap. So I would say a 200 million market cap is very doable. 50% of the coins in circulation. I don't know about the rest. So what is the next target up? Next target up for an 11x would be $4. So do you think this thing can hit $1 billion market cap? Brick into the moon. But yeah, we'll go back and look at the meme coins in a minute. He said that Foster coin is pumping. I'm just trying to get this chart built up. So a couple of targets for Patrick to watch here on his Brickin investments. One more moment. But yeah, the chart doesn't look bad. The overall chart here, it has one of those charts to where it looks like it just wants to go vertical at some point. All right. We'll just write it down. 490 million. All right, so the three targets on this one is the new high, which is probably going to hit for that 7.5, a little over 7.5x to 280, 200 million, 286 million will be next for an 11x, $4. And then the 1618 retracement is a 19x up to 680, 490, pretty much a $500 million market cap for this one here. Not bad. Not a bad looking chart either. He thinks BCAN can get close to $1 billion. It's backed by Spanish government and has clear use case. Okay. So $1 billion market cap would put you up around what? About 14 bucks. So maybe you get a 38 to 40x out of this thing. Not a bad play. You said it's your largest holding. You got a decent amount in there. It's got some good returns there. Appreciate the 5. Just because I remember someone said ALGO. Maddie says Velo looks super bullish. Talking about Velodrome. But yeah, ALGO we cover all the time on the channel here. I think you know that. Damn, where'd ALGO go? Oh yeah, ALGO's on the other list. Caspa still getting stuck, but it still bounced. Sad to see. Oh, what is Bitcoin at? Bitcoin's flying here. ALGO, very bullish on the chart for ALGO. It tried to dip below our trend line here, but we can easily just pull this down. I don't know. Maybe it did break it and it's down now. I don't know. What do you guys think? ALGO to 0. Let me see. It's getting stuck right at the 382, right at the trend line. It did break down, huh? If you go by the candle bodies mostly. Needs to get back up over 12.5 to be bullish and get back over the trend here. Nice little pump in play though. But I am still bullish on ALGO. We'll see what happens here. ALGO is one of the ones that decent run, has huge potential here. I don't know why we have the yellow line. Why do we have the yellow line? Oh, that's our 618 breakout moon line. Looking in the past, all the support. Once you break that resistance, it's going to start flying over 75, bullish over 33. But yeah, ALGO has a lot of good targets. ALGO to a 618 retracement to 75 is going to give you a 6x. 786 retracement in a bull market is a 11x almost. 11 billion market cap, and then your moonshot would take you up to the new high, 58.5, 59x to a 59 billion market cap to $7 on ALGO Rand here. Fox, what is Fox doing? Probably the same thing it was doing yesterday. Damn it. Yeah, okay, Fox. Fox looks more bullish than we think, huh? Yeah, Fox looks good here. It broke the downtrend, as we know. It had that huge spike up. It hit the 382 on this candle here perfectly at 8.7. It came back down, but ultimately off of the strong move up, it is once again one of the ones rather that is forming the bullish structure here. The pennant, the flag pattern, the symmetrical triangle pattern, consolidation, continuation pattern here is what it's forming. So yeah, Fox looks like it's about to start moving up once again. 3-day candles here to kind of see the pattern. And low to the high, 0.5 it held. It's back above the 382. So once it breaks back above the 236 at 6.8, maybe that'll tell us it's about to break to the upside here. But off of that move, if you do the measured move, it probably spikes you up past the 382 near the 0.5. Which you can clearly see. I think I pointed this out last time. It's going to have a spike out of this pattern, get you bullish all the way up to the 0.5 at 14, and then it'll pull back because it's going to get stuck at the resistance and the trend line here. But yeah, it does look like it's about to gear up to go, or it is gearing up to go rather. So Fox potentially is about to have a spike. Covered CTK yet. I don't know if we did or not. The Fed rate cut decision announced in an hour. More pumping today. Yeah, Bitcoin's pumping right now. What was the high it made? Is it making a new high already? Dude, we're about to pump. We're all about to get faked out. Bitcoin. It's at 76.4. Did it make a new high now? It did, didn't it? Everyone's going to start getting on their Twitter and everywhere saying, screaming new all-time high, we're going to the moon. Not bad to see. CTK. CTK. I don't think we've ever covered that one. Wicks all over the place. But I do plan on getting on here for everyone in here. How many people are in here? Just did a quick stream this morning. We got 36 people in here. I will get back on later, probably. I don't know when, but it will be later, so just watch out for it. Because I do have to go pick my son up at lunch today. Got to go take care of a few things because he has a band competition in San Antonio, I believe. Damn, where are they going? Yeah, I think they're going to San Antonio tonight. And tomorrow's the competition, if I remember correctly. I'll have to ask him. But they're one step away from state once again. So proud of my kids for that. Got 2 of them in band. The San Antonio may be next week. I don't know. But yeah, we're getting off topic here. Hedge funds will pump BCT through news outlets once the election hype lets up. Yeah, we're trying to look at... What are we looking at here? CTK. Never looked at this one before. CTK. High to the low on this one. It needs to get over 7.1 to confirm the bottom is in. It looks like it hit the 786 final support. It's curling up. Let's confirm. Pretty much. It's back above it. So the 618 and the 236 are in the same spot here. So once you get over 71, it's in a good position. Confirm this is the bottom. Bullish over $1. And then where can this one end up? We'll have to build a chart for it, of course. It doesn't look too bad at the moment. New high on this one, get you up to 959, 960 is going to be a 14.5x. I don't even know what this one is besides the ticker. What do we say? CTK? CTK Shinto or Cryptix? Shinto. Never heard of this one before. $88 million market cap. Not bad. Almost all the supplies in circulation, so that's always bullish to see. And then if this thing can hit what? 960. Okay, not bad. A 1.3 billion market cap, 88 million. In a bull run with all the supply almost in, I would say that's very possible. What I say, a 1.3 billion market cap up to this level here. So 14.5, maybe a 15x out of this one. Which I always say that all these coins do not have to go to new highs. They do not even have to run. People have to know about them. They have to buy them. People have to pile in, or they're not going to do anything but a little dinky retracement and then go back to zero where they came from. So always take that into account. Even though we say a 15x to this level is possible, nothing's guaranteed. Mostly nothing. New all-time high. Yes, let's go. Bitcoin's going to the moon. Omar, can you look at agent layer? Rampage says, how about Coinbase? Not technically crypto, but crypto related. You talking about the Coinbase chart? What's up, Jerry? How's it going? But what time is it? Okay, yeah, we still got about 30 minutes and then I'll have to get off. Win the day. How's it going? Didn't you say something a minute ago? He said, congrats on your kids' sex. No better investment than your kids. Yeah. When will well pump, says John. Yeah, we did Stater before. So I know I have a Stater chart. Stater. Oh yeah, Stater's pumping too. Everything's pumping. Everything but my coin is pumping. How's that? Must be really bad picks. Oh my god. Yeah, this one got over the 236, so the bottom is confirmed in. Next target up. It broke this somewhat steep downtrend here. $1.13. Once it gets over $1.13, it's bullish. Breaks through this resistance level. And then where's this one going to end up? We only have one market cap on this one also for some reason. So Stater here, for it to move a 250 million market cap, 786 retracement to 615 is a 6.5x. And then if it goes to a new high, which would be a $500 million market cap up to about 15. So if it comes up near the previous high, a little above, a little below, maybe you get a 15 to a 16x and hit about a $500 million market cap on Stater here. Because Stater, if you're going to hit a new high on this one, you're looking at almost a 50x up to $46. So it depends on where you think this thing is going to end up. OG Jerry says DGen is not good no more. What you talking about? What you talking about, Willis? DGen is still holding up. I would imagine DGen's pumping right now, ain't it? DGen was in a bull flag. Oh, yeah, you're talking nonsense. It's got Litecoin on the mind. DGen looks extremely well here. Bull flag pattern over the 382.008. It's going to spike up soon, all the way to the 618 at a penny and a little over half. Pile in while you can. 100% move in play. Not financial advice. Do you think SUKU could hit $2? What's up, Shadow? What issues are they having? They're migrating? Why the hell would they migrate? I don't know. I'm looking at the chart. Yeah, we looked at PNG a couple of times already. PNG is doing nothing. DGen to me, chart-wise, looks very bullish right now. But yeah, PNG is doing nothing. It had a nice dip. You missed the dip, and it's still holding over our level. Doing nothing. Completely nothing right now. It goes up and down in these candles. Everyone freaks out, but overall, it's still in our bullish pattern. It's still going to have a decent run. 21.6 is your price to hold. 30 is your price to break out. And then if it copies last time, it's going to do a 9 to 10x to the target here. Or it's going to be a dud of a breakout and hit the 1618 and do 100x. Or not 100x, 100% move up to 48. But yeah, other than that, macro-wise, it's doing nothing. Same thing as AOS. You said, can SUKU hit $2? SUKU to $2. Still looking good here, going sideways. Not doing anything. SUKU can definitely go to 70 cents. Oh, $2? I don't know. If it hits under $1 billion market cap to an 800 million, you're getting a 71x out of this thing to 450. $2. I don't know. It could, I guess. Yeah, I say it can. Maybe. That's a good answer, huh? 30x maybe to $2. The low market cap, the more likely target is this. 227 million, 786 retracement, 70 cents, 11x. But it'll probably come up here close. It's either going to make a lower high or a higher high. And like you said, maybe hit $2. That would give it what, like a little over a 400 million market cap. I like those odds. So yeah, I say $2 is possible. Camille, how's it going? Did we go back to ABT already? Yeah, we looked at ABT. DGen's getting some FUD due to the issues with the L3 service provider, but it hasn't impacted the price action. But yeah, we looked at ABT just a little bit ago. But yeah, ABT looks overall good. The wick bottom, it's forming, or it's in this bullish pattern here. Not quite breaking out yet. You can see it's still getting stuck inside this. I would say it's just confirmed once you get over the 2272 at 180. If you get the price over 180, then it's going to confirm that you are breaking to the upside, and it'll have the price spike up, which is potentially the measured move here. But about a 80% move up to 3 would be the next huge run it's going to have. But I like the fact that it had this decent run up, and then it's been just consolidating here in this little bull flag pattern, depending on what time frame you look at, of course. And then we go low to the high, 618 retracement perfectly at 134, and it bounced. It's right at the 382 at 163 now, right above it. So you are back to being bullish, and you can see the 236 is right at that 2272. So yeah, once you get up this 180 level, you know it's breaking out. But we look at them here mostly on the weekly, and it looks very bullish here. If you hold up on those prices, of course. Yeah, these charts that I already have charts for that we just talked about, they're easy to go over real quick. Yeah, I think we looked at GFI. We didn't look at LCX yet, but I believe I'm doing an update for LCX on the channel today. It's on the list. It's like coming up next, I believe. But yeah, LCX is back over the 382 at 98 after the little meltdown. The big price to beat, like I've been saying, is getting back over 14 here. The multi-year resistance that it got stuck at for a very long time, and then held support. We're back down below it, so we'll see if we can get back over 14. This thing's in good shape. One thing we're kind of worried about is it coming up here, getting stuck there once again, and then falling off the table. That's what this line right here is. But we'll see what happens. But as long as you're over that 9.8 level, 14 is the price to beat for now, and that's really all I would say about it. Until it accomplishes that and starts to move up, then there's really nothing to say on it right now. I still am not sure what happened to it, but people did say that people sold it. But LCX, if it has some gas left in the tank for the rest of the cycle, new high, 1 billion market cap is a 16x to 160, 3.6 billion market cap is a 25x to 250, and then I would say a moonshot target, I think we have a higher one, no, 475, 4.5 billion, and a 47x almost. But I do like the 1272 target here. If it holds up and grinds its way back up, potentially that 1 billion market cap. Did I miss anything? Hour and 27 minutes in. How's everyone doing that's coming in here? Are we still moving on Bitcoin? Appreciate you guys being in here. Bitcoin. Damn, it came back down. Is this it? Is this the pump? The start of it finally? What are we riding here? Where it finally broke out. Well, no, I guess we'll be right in here. Made a new high, and then just slowly grinded its way up. Little pullbacks every once in a while, and then eventually went up to the high. Yeah, so I guess you could say we're at the beginning. Oh no, 2017 high. So this is where we are potentially. It's not going to be the same, of course, but yeah. Oh yeah, agent layer. Agent layer. What's the ticker for that one? I think we looked at that one. Damn, we didn't. This thing just come out. Short term, the overall price action looks extremely bullish here. High to the low, it's getting stuck right at the 786, so the price to beat is 37.5. But overall, it's not looking too bad here. Keep it simple. As long as you're over 26 up to 27, this thing's bullish to continue pushing. And once you get over 3.7, let's see here. It's probably going to head to a new high. So a 200% move up to 10 pennies. I don't know what this is or what it does or what the market cap is. It's at 3 cents. So agent layer to 94 pennies would give you a 26x. Try to pull it up on CoinGecko. Agent layer. 7 million market cap. Okay, low market cap. Damn, only 20% of the supply in circulation. So what are they doing with the rest? That's the big question. That's the big question. But a 7 million market cap to do a 26x here. Let me just write this down. Up to 93, 94 pennies, pretty much $1. It's going to give you a 200 million market cap. So if you think you can hit a 200 million market cap, that's your potential target up there. But it's hard to say on some of these newer coins like that doesn't have a lot of chart history and people really don't know about it. It's very hard to say where they're going to end up. What time is it? Uh, 34 people in here, 7 on X. How you doing over on X? I appreciate all you guys coming in here. While you guys are here, hit the like button and hit the notification button on the channel. It'll help not only get notified, but it's going to help out the algorithm here. That's my big goal. I'm trying to get the algorithm back up to to liking the channel here. But I think we looked at most everything you guys asked for. If we missed anything, like I said, I'm probably going to stream later on. Probably around 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock sounds good. Gonna get off of here, go pick up my son, do what I need to do, make some more updates, and then stream after I pick him up from after school around 4. Bruce Hosey. Oh yeah, someone asked for VAR earlier. Did it bottom out finally? I forgot about Vara. Vara to 0. Oh, I guess it did finally bottom out. Zoom this thing back out. But yeah, we kind of gave up on Vara. Oh no, I guess it hasn't bottomed out. I don't know. It's got a nice little pump going on. Going from the low to the high, came all the way down to the 1414 at 15. Jeez. It's back above the 1272. Good step would be to get back over this penny 18 area here, I guess. But there's no guarantee it's going to still hold up. It formed what everything formed, the wick bottom, the formation, but then it just fell off the table again. VAR just keeps disappointing, huh? I'll just keep it that simple. You need to stay above these levels, get back over 18, that previous low, and then maybe you'll be in good shape to try to push up, and then we'll see what happens. But right now, I don't think I would touch Vara, even if I was thinking the bottom was in, because we felt that before, and it just keeps doing this. Every time it's bullish with an uptrend, it dies. Bullish with an uptrend, it died. Maybe it'll start forming an uptrend here, and then it'll die again. Much love from Bonnie, Scotland, he says. Oh, okay. Nice. I bet it's nice over there. Yeah, VAR's been so disappointing. Yeah, I appreciate the couple of super chats that came in. I appreciate all you guys that came in here. I appreciate the support. I will get back on here later. Look out for the updates coming out for the day. I've already done a couple. I'll try to do some more, and I'll do a live stream a little bit after VAR. VAR looks like mobile dead. And we'll leave it on that note. Vara is going to 0. Vara back into the abyss, into the shadow realm. It's never coming back. With that said, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck, everyone, and peace out.